Okay, we are back doing analytics for this channel, Amanda's Numbers, where I talk about YouTube tips. I talk about my other channels and their analytics. So let's see how we're doing. All right, so for January of 2025, I got 63 views, 1.1 watch time hours, and 4 subscribers. The 4 subscribers, that's pretty good for me. So we will take that. Let's go ahead and click down here and let's go to hit content type. On this channel, I only do long form. So let's just see what my channel is looking like overall. 4 subscribers, like I said, average percent viewed about 15%. That's pretty weak. Honestly, it's probably better than it's been, but 63 views, 1.1 watch time hours, average view duration is only a minute. So we really want to get that up. And then let me see, where's the click-through rate? All right, click-through rate, that's a problem. So regardless of our impressions, people aren't clicking. My thumbnails are not good enough. My titles are not good enough. So we need to work on that. Let's go ahead and see what the impressions are, because if they're incredibly low, that's rough. Ooh, 7,000 is not terrible. Okay, I got to put in some work on my titles and my thumbnails. That is what that is telling me. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit the content. Okay, so we're at January. So in January, this one got the most views, and it's a January video. Why you can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes. It's just a technical issue if you haven't done a certain step in your setup process. So that one I thought people might search for. So that was my idea on that one. And yeah, it looks like it did all right for me. Honestly, I will take that. It looks like my best watch time hour, best views. Overall, not a lot happening, really not that much to show you. I did publish 6 long form videos. I'm trying to hit 8 minutes, but I'm really not that worried about it. Like this video, for example, is going to be under 8 minutes because if I don't have things to say, I'm not going to waste your time. So this is what January looked like for this channel. And honestly, I'm really disappointed in this channel. I thought a channel about YouTube would take off. I thought it would blow up. I thought that's what channels about YouTube did. Like YouTube channels about growing on YouTube. So really interested in that. I think what I need is one of my channels to get monetized. And then when I report that here, monetized is going to be helpful and help grow this channel. So we'll see. Stay tuned. And yeah, I will continue showing my journey. I now have 3 channels. So for January, there's an analytic report for each channel. I have Amanda's Numbers, what you're here on. I have Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, my first channel, my mommy channel. It did amazing in January. So check that video out for sure. And then we have Baby Registry Reviews, which is my 3rd channel. January was the first month that that channel was launched. So I'm up to 3 channels. Let's see what we're doing. They're all a little different and they're different ages. They have different strategies and they have different topics. So we're going to see how they all do. We're going to compare, contrast, and just keep enjoying the ride. I will see you in the next one. And please go check out the January report for Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. That channel took off this month. It was my best month by far. All right, so I'll see you over in that video next.